Quiz time. The answers will follow the slide. Questions. Excuse me, folks. Okay. Number 1, what comes first, a diagnosis or a prognosis? Number 2, a mass that forms when blood escapes from blood vessels and collects as a clot in a cavity, organ, or under the skin is called an blank. Number 3, when blood collects above the brain's outermost covering, usually due to external trauma, a person has a blank hematoma. Answers. Number 1 is diagnosis. Number 2 is hematoma. Number 3 is epidural hematoma. Match the term to the definitions at the right. The terms are type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, insulin, pancreas, glucose, hyperglycemia. And, let me see. Okay. Number 1. Released by the pancreas to escort sugar from bloodstream to a cell. Number 2, another name for sugar. Number 3, type of diabetes where a person has ineffective insulin. Number 4, a condition where a person, because they lack insulin or have ineffective insulin to escort sugar into a cell, causes the glucose to build up in the bloodstream. Number 5, type of diabetes where a person lacks insulin. Number 6, an endocrine gland near the stomach that is responsible for releasing insulin. Answers.
1, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2.
Answers. Number 1 is insulin. Number 2 is glucose. Number 3 is type 2 diabetes. Number 4 is hyperglycemia. Number 5 is type 1 diabetes. Number 6 is pancreas. Questions. Number 1, orthopedists, A, used to be doctors that straightened children's bones and corrected deformities. B, specialize in disorders of bones. C, specialize in disorders of muscles. D, all of the above. E, A and B. Number 2, what does the combining form ortho mean? Number 3, blank and blank are two combining forms that both mean kidney. Number 4, blank is a Latin term that is used to describe the kidney. Number 5. Blank is a Greek term used to describe abnormal conditions of the kidney and the operative procedures associated with it. Answers. Number 1 is D. Number 2 is straight. Number 3 is reno and nephro. Number 4 is reno. Number 5 is nephro. Questions. Number 1. A blank is a tumor that grows from cells of connected tissues like muscle, bone, and fat. Number 2. A blood clot that forms is called a blank. Number 3. A condition of clot formation is called blank. Number 4. Malignant tumor of the liver that develops from epitheliosis is called a blank. Number 5. And blank is a physician who specializes in diagnosing and treating, surgically and medically, disorders of the eye. Answers. Number 1 is sarcoma. Number 2 is thrombus. Number 3 is thrombosis. Number 4 is epitoma. Number 5 is ophthalmologist. Questions. Number 1. In blank, examines eyes and prescribes corrective lenses and treats eye diseases. Number 2. In blank, grinds lenses and fits glasses. Number 3. What does the combining form metro mean? Number 4. What is the picture below of? Number 1, optometrist. Number 2, optician. Number 3, to measure. Number 4, hematoma. Label what the pictures are of. Answers. Pancreas and an epidural hematoma. Questions. What is the picture to the right of? A. Carcinoma. B. Sarcoma. C. Hematoma. D. Epitoma. B. Finished.